very pleased to have you all here.
Thank you.
So, Jigar, मेरा सबसे पहले सवाल आपसे है कि what does creativity means for you?
Creativity means heart. The only thing equivalent to heart is creativity.
Although we can see that क्योंकि ये जो song इसका निकल के आया है, I think Digital India का सही उपयोग I would say इस song के animation में हम देख सकते हैं. What would you like to tell us?
हाँ, of course. मतलब Prime Focus में अपने बहुत ही एक a very close friend in Prime Focus. His name is Josefa, and he has done all the animation. This video is directed by another friend, Arunima Sharma, and so yeah, ये दोनों लोगों ने मिलके ये एक मतलब जो एक वर्ल्ड बनाया है वो डिजिटल मतलब I think जितना हमें समझ में आता है उसका we have really taken it seriously and had fun with it.
Right. Crystal, we loved you in the song. You are looking very, very adorable. And मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि how was the collaboration भारती सिंह and जिगर कैसा लगा काम करके?
बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा. To be honest, it sounded like such a fun collaboration because everything that they were proposing, from the song to the video to the VFX, everything sounded so surreal, sounded so much out of the box that I mean, there was no reason that I could say no to something like this. I mean, something like this is once in a lifetime. So for me, collaborating with Bharti, with Sachin, Jigar, with Jigar as a performer, and Anurima and everybody that was on board was a privilege. Even my choreographer Kriti, she's taught us the wackiest steps and she's put together a wacky choreography for the both of us. I mean, they're not normal. I didn't know my body can move in these ways.
All right. Jigar, I would like to know from you, like our viewers would like to know from you that इस गाने में एक international artist के साथ भी आपने काम किया है. How was it? What was the idea behind it?
So this credit completely goes to Sony Music actually, because we made this song and we sent it to them, to Sony, saying कि अच्छा इसका single बनाने की सोच रहे हैं. And the team at Sony, they said this needs a collaboration because ये बहुत ही क्या कहते हैं बहुत ही forward वाला sound है. We made this song in 2019 and they immediately got in touch with DJ Rehab, and DJ Rehab said, okay, send me the tune because it's a Bollywood song, it's unlike something he does. So usko humne se voice bheja and he said, I love this tune, let's work around this. And the collaboration happened. We had 3 or 4 rounds of exchange. It was a proper collaboration where we exchanged ideas, we exchanged music. And again, this song is we have just come across all the nice people in this song, like right from Rehab to this entire team to Crystal and to Bharti Didi. I think we've just met the right people and we've really had fun with this. So having collaborated with an artist of the stature of Rehab is a privilege for the two of us.
All right. Crystal, we would like to know her humor. तो उनके साथ काम करके and Jigar, this question is even for you. How was the experience? मतलब environment क्या बना रहा set पर, हम वो जानना चाहेंगे.
I think Bharti is a rock star. She can take anything and make it funny. तो उन्होंने मतलब as evil as trying to shoot the hero in the song, उसको भी funny बना दिया. Like she was wearing a lipstick and she just threw the lipstick. Lipstick mera weapon hai. Somebody like Bharti is the only one that can pull something like that off, and with such conviction and so much humor at the same time. Yeah. So I think it was a total privilege to be with her in this video because she's a total rock star. She is so funny in everything that she does. I cannot imagine another person doing what she does. Forget about this video in life.
Yeah.
Jigar, what
So
would you like to add on to this?
so yeah, I know. मतलब Bharti is Didi for me. So I call her Bharti Didi. I know her from a very very long time ago. और मेरी उनसे मुलाकात सबसे पहले आई थिंक 6 7 8 10 साल पहले ना कुवैत एयरपोर्ट पे हुई थी, कुवैत के एयरपोर्ट पे। और वहां से ही मतलब एक मतलब भाई और बहन वाला कनेक्शन बैठ गया था हम लोग का। तो जब ये वीडियो की बात आई तो मैंने उनको फोन किया, बोला दीदी सबसे पहले आपको बता दूं कि मैंने आपको कुछ वाकड़ी चीज के लिए फोन किया है। दूसरा बता दूं कि ये आपके अलावा और कोई नहीं कर सकता है। तो उसने मुझे बोला भाई आ जाओ ना, मिलते हैं भाई। सो आई वेंट एंड व्हेन दैट मीटिंग हैपेंड एंड व्हेन आई टोल्ड हर कि दीदी इसमें ना क्या होता है, एक ड्रैगन उड़ता है, वो हम दोनों को भस्म करता है। उसके बाद ना दीदी आप ऐसे ना गोली मारती हो और आपके बाजू में ना आपका एक पालतू टाइगर है। तो उसने मुझे बोला भाई ये हम क्या बना रहे हैं। तो मैंने बोला दीदी क्यों, क्या हुआ, अच्छा नहीं लगा? इसे नहीं भाई बहुत अच्छा है, मजा आएगा, कब शूट करें, you know. So and she came on set and she was a rock star. In fact, in the edit we could not retain, but she has danced, and how, you know, because of the flow of the story. But she has danced. She is a fab dancer also. This nobody might know. और जब हमने उनको बताया ना कि आप लिपस्टिक से किसी को मार रहे हो, तो उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक है भाई, मैं क्या करती हूँ ना, मेरी जुबान ही मेरा जहर, मैं लिपस्टिक पे से जहर की तरह जुबान से चाटूंगी और फिर तुमको मारूंगी, तो उस जहर से तुम मर जाओगे। तो only she can come up with a thought behind why she is hitting with a lipstick. She is a rock star.
Yeah, she is. And I think nobody can replace her character in real life.
Nobody.
Yeah. Crystal, we would like to know from you that Cherry का teaser आने वाला है, and we are pretty much excited to watch. You tell us something about it. इमरान हाशमी, अमिताभ बच्चन, कैसा लग रहा है काम?
It's my first film, so for me it is something that's really, really special to me. 11th of March, the trailer is out of Cherry, and 30th April, it'll be out in theaters. We've waited a whole year so that we can release it in the theater. And I can't wait for it. You know, it's been an amazing experience, especially with Amitabh Bachchan ji, with Imran Hashmi, with Anu Kapoor. We have a stellar cast of amazing performers. So performing alongside them made me a little nervous, but of course, I'm very excited for the world to watch this.
So are we very excited to watch you on the big screen? Jigar, we would like to know from you कि गाने को बहुत ही अच्छा response मिला है. In fact, Crystal, you as well. Congratulations on that, first of all. Tell us something कि was this expected कि मतलब लोगों को इस तरह का animation के साथ जो एक गाना निकल के आया है आपकी composer आवाज. Tell us something about that. How good do you feel?
So while we were making this, we knew that we are going on a double-edged sword. You know, हमें पता था कि इसको दोनों टाइप के रिस्पॉन्स मिलेंगे। एक रिस्पॉन्स है ये क्या बनाया है, और दूसरा रिस्पॉन्स है वाह ये क्या बनाया बॉस। तो हमें पता था there is going to be nothing in between. Either you will love it or you will hate it.
Yeah.
And we knew this before we made it. So exactly हमने जो सोचा था वही है. If you love it, you will love it. If you hate it, you will hate it, because either you have the appetite to understand and take this as a fun thing, or you don't and you think ये क्या हो रहा है, but ठीक है, then also you will watch it and then criticize it, so it's fine. But we really wanted to have fun and we wanted to make a video for kids.
Right. In fact,
I went back to my childhood with this video, playing Mario, and playing Angry Birds and everything. So even I became a kid in this video for sure. At least while watching it.
So does we even loved it. Even जो Mario वाला concept था and the music as well, it was very catchy. So we
thank you.
It. Yeah, Crystal, I would like to know from you. It was a birthday month, so बहुत सारे वीडियोस सामने आए, बहुत सारे सेलिब्रेशन के वीडियोस हमने देखे, और एक वीडियो जो बेहद वायरल भी हुआ आपका और निया का. What would you like to add on to that?
निया और मैं एक दूसरे को भी 10 साल से ज्यादा जानते हैं. She's a mad girl. She's crazy. She has a lot of life, a lot of energy, and that's what I love about her. She is filterless. She doesn't care कौन सामने है, कौन आजू बाजू है, क्या चल रहा है लाइफ में. She is on her own track in life. So it's always fun meeting her. Whenever we've met, we've somehow gone viral. So even this time when she came for my birthday, she went specially to the DJ. She told him, play 1000 mein Meri Behna Hai, came and danced with me, and it became so nostalgic for both of us, because that was one song that can make us cry like this. It's so many memories attached. To be honest, if I am anything today in my life, I am because of that show, and because of what it gave me, what the people gave me after that show. 1000 mein Meri Behna Hai, Jivika, the character, gave me everything I have today, and some amazing people like Nia. So whenever we meet, वैसे ही वायरल हो जाता है, और फिर वो हरकतें ऐसे कर देती है तो और भी वायरल हो जाए.
Well, Crystal, I would like to know from जो fans हैं आपके, उनके side से कि should they expect season 2 from you and Nia?
हम खुद अपने, अभी देखो, निया और मैंने नया घर लिया है एक ही बिल्डिंग में, तो हम खुद अपने घर से 1000 बना लेंगे सीजन 2. बालकनी से बना लेंगे.
I think लोगों का ये जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड वाला गोल होता है कि उन लोगों को एक ही बिल्डिंग में घर लेना रहता है, I think you guys have finally accomplished it.
This happened by chance. हमें नहीं पता था कि we have bought a house in the same building. But when I put up a picture on Instagram and she put up a picture on Instagram, then that's when we saw कि एक सेकंड, इसका बैकग्राउंड में तो बालकनी सिमिलर लग रहा है. And that's when we called up each other and said, oh बहन. So that's something that we keep telling each other even till date. It was a line in our show, खून का रिश्ता है हमारा. तो देखिए ऐसा खून का रिश्ता निकला हमारा.
Alright. Thank you guys for joining with us on Bollywood Spy. It was having a lovely conversation with you. और Bollywood Spy के सारे ही viewers की तरफ से आप सभी को बहुत सारा congratulations on the hit of your song and for your upcoming projects as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I would like my viewers to कि वो हमें comment section में बताएं कि वो क्या कुछ सोच रहे हैं आपके गाने की animation को लेकर, आपके upcoming projects को लेकर. So there is the comment section for you guys. Go ahead and comment below. Thank you guys. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.